Over the last 10 years, we've been investing in our retail bank, building a scalable technology foundation to deliver an intuitive, personalised and seamless digital banking proposition with world-class experiences for our customers. So they can be proud to say, I bank with Macquarie.
A good digital experience is definitely important to me. Obviously, you don't know about it until you're already with the bank. But now that I'm with Macquarie, it definitely makes me not want to jump to another bank because it is so much better than the previous lender that I was with. The app from Macquarie is really good. It's very user-friendly. I love the marketplace in Macquarie's online banking. You can get discounts off gift cards from a lot of Australia's major retailers, and it's often hard to find these discounted gift cards anywhere else. I trust Macquarie Bank with my finances because they have a good reputation and they've got a safe and secure digital experience.
Speed equals trust in the world we live in, and more than ever clients have an expectation that they're going to have speed and they're going to have convenience, and with Macquarie we can offer both. I think the ability to have a digital process from end to end has made the loan application process, everything from the onboarding of a client all the way to the application launchment and all the way through to settlement and on board, is incredibly important, and Macquarie allows us to provide that experience for our clients.
When I think back to our first conversation with Macquarie, it felt like Macquarie was in a position to grow with us and to adjust accordingly to what we needed as a family. For me personally, the thing that's most important from a savings account perspective is ease of use. And I definitely get that with the Macquarie app. I do use the Authenticator app, often a few times a day. I think it just gives you that added peace of mind, that there's an added layer of protection from a cyber perspective on transfers that you're making through the app. I'm not particularly tech savvy, so even I can work out how to use it. And if I ever miss the window, I get distracted halfway through the process. I just need to go back and tap on that request again, and then it takes me straight back to authenticating again. It was really convenient traveling with the Macquarie cards because I didn't need another physical card, which I normally would have had from times gone by. So it just meant that everything, all the infrastructure we had in Australia worked perfectly overseas. I was really surprised that there was no international fees associated with transactions on my Macquarie cards. Times gone by, that was actually really something to think about.
I started banking with Macquarie, I think 6 years ago, as part of the beta testers. For me, I was just looking for a bit of a refreshing offering. The first time I opened an account, I was astounded by how easy it was. I was very impressed by that it was completely done on mobile. It was finished in a couple of steps, and it also did all the background searches real time. I think the reason I stay with Macquarie is because it fulfills all my banking needs. And really it's quite simple what I need. I need to receive money, I need to send money, and I need to use money. And the app allows me to do those things in a very robust way.
When we were looking to get a home loan, I felt like Macquarie Bank felt approachable and youthful and fresh in a category that can often feel really samey. It felt like there was a point of difference, and it felt like they spoke to where I was at the point in time in my life. I love the Macquarie Banking app. I think it's easy to use. I think it's been designed in a really clean and simple way. I've banked obviously with other institutions, and I think for me, the ease of use of the digital platforms and the app and the Authenticator app, it all sort of makes sense to me, and the flow suits the way that I like to bank. Despite the fact that getting a home loan is, this big milestone in someone's life, I found the experience with Macquarie was easy in the beginning, it was easy in the middle, and it continues to be easy now, given that everything that I do with the bank is so low touch and everything that is designed to be that way. The fact that I want to expand my relationship with the bank is something that is a testament to the way that they treat their customers, and I've always been proud to bank with Macquarie.